Students, today we start chapter number 7, geometry. In this chapter, we learn what is point, line, line segment, and ray. Okay. In this geometry chapter, we must want to know what is point, line segment, and rays. Very first, we study about point. Point like this. Here is line A and B. Okay. Here is point P, point Q, point R, and point S. Point 2. These are a point on line A and B. Point A, point O, point P, Q, R, S, and point B is also. Okay, this is the point and line. Line is a line can be expanded from both ends. Okay, here line can be expanded this end A up and so on infinity, and this end also point B. Okay, line segment is line is a and B is a line. It can expand it up to infinity from both ends. Okay, line can expand from both ends. Okay, third one is line segment have a both end fix. Line segment is a both end fix. It cannot be expand from any end. Clear? Point P can point many points, and line can expand from both ends, and line segment is a fix from both ends. Last is a rays. Rays one end fix. One end fix. Fix. Remaining end means second end. Can expand. Second end can expand from unlimited. Okay, and fixed line segment fixed both ends. Fixed ends, both end fixed. Both end can expanded. Expanded. Okay, clear? After that, we learn about an angle. Angle like side A, V, and C. This is a line, or you can say side. Both lines meet from the point. Which point? It is an angle. It is an angle BAC. Okay, this is an angle. Angle are three types. Right angle. Okay, two lines or line segment or rays meet in a point. Clear? Two line segment, line or a rays meet to a point. Means AB is a line and AC is a line. Two line segment or rays meet a point. It is an angle. Okay. Angle is a corner. It's an angle A. Clear? Angles are three types. First is right angle. If the two lines make a 90-degree angle, two lines make a 90-degree angle. If this angle is 90 degree. Okay. If two lines A or lines AB and line BC. Okay. Two lines AB or BC make a 90-degree angle when they meet a point. Point B. AB line and BC. Both lines meet on a point B and they make a 90-degree angle. then this angle called a right angle. Okay, when the two lines meet in a point, this is called a right angle. If angle is 90 degree, it is a right angle. Second, acute angle. Here I write again a right angle is equal to 90 degree. When two lines make an angle 90 degree, it is called a right angle. Acute angle, when two lines make a angle less than 90 degree, like 60 degree, like 75 degree. When two lines make an angle, okay, like 30 degree, line AB and BC make a 60 degree angle, line AB and BC make a 75 degree angle, line AB and AC meet a point E or make a 30 degree angle. If angle is 0 degree to 90 degree, it's called a acute angle. Clear? If two lines meet a point and create a angle like a less than 90 degree, called a acute angle. Okay. Third one is obtuse angle. If two lines meet a point like line AB and BC, these two lines meet a point and make a more than 90 degree angle, 90 degree to 180 degree, make a acute angle. Clear? 135, 175, 165, more than 90 degree, 90 to 180 degree. If two lines meet a point and make an angle above 90 to 180 degree, called a acute angle. Okay, according to this, exercise 7.1, there is